Many Americans believe that individual initiative epitomized the 1890s and see the entrepreneur as the dash of that age. I notice this sentence contains a keyword which is and which we can categorize as a similarity keyword. What this tells me is that the portion after the and will have a similar meaning to the portion before. Now, what is the meaning in the portion before? Individual initiative and epitomized, right? So, we are talking about pioneers, we are talking about people who start organizations. Epitomize means to be the best example of, and the entrepreneur. So, entrepreneur I can word match with individual initiative. So, this tells me that the blank can certainly be word matched with epitomized because I have and in the middle. I have to go for a similar meaning. So, in the blank I am looking for a word which means to be the best example of. A, caricature. Caricature refers to a funny cartoon. It doesn't mean the best example. I can strike it out. Positive word is what I am looking for, by the way. So, salvation is positive, but then it means someone who saves. Don't have the context for that, even though it is positive. A throwback to something is to go back in time to something. We are not going back in time here, please note. Even though the sentence quotes 1890s, nowhere it is being implied that we are going back to the 1890s. Aberration is a negative word. It doesn't mean the best example, so I can strike it out. Again, by elimination, I am left with personification as the correct answer. So, here I could have word matched epitomized with personification because they both mean to be the highest point of or the best example of.